Hey guys, this is Bree here with Bree Tech TV, brought to you by Apex Pro Technologies. I am on my way to go to Best Buy to pick up my Oculus Quest 2. It's pretty cold outside, so yeah, cold and rainy, but I'm excited. Everybody keeps telling me that I made a good choice, so I can pick it up an hour early if you do pick up the store. So I'm gonna go check it out, and yeah, I'm really excited. Let's head out. I haven't made a video blog in so long. It's been years, but I still love the idea of people just kind of like taking, their viewers on a ride to go pick up their favorite tech and all that stuff. And I used to do this all the time when I was younger, like back in like 2016. I thought it was great, you know. It's so cold outside. I keep my mask on just because it's like a windbreaker. But I'm gonna go stop off at McDonald's to get me a nice coffee. All my friends who know me well know that I love McDonald's coffee. I choose McDonald's coffee over Starbucks any day. Okay, so let me keep my footage short. I try to keep it under a minute. All right, so I'm here at McDonald's, getting my coffee, my normal concoction, 5 cream, 5 sugars. Morning, how are you? Yeah, the coffee, 5 cream, 5 sugars. Thank you so much. Okay. Supposedly it's supposed to snow. So I don't know today, but they did talk about it, but we might not get any. Morning. Thank you so much. You too. All right. Now we're on our way to Best Buy. Woohoo! Okay, I'm sitting in the parking lot at Best Buy, and I'm just waiting for them to bring out the Oculus Quest 2. I think I see it. Yep, I do see it. So I'm excited. Woohoo! This is exciting. So I believe I have to give her the order number. So I'm gonna part ways with you guys in a few minutes. All right, guys, so I got the Oculus Quest 2. I'm about to take it home, unbox this, and I'm really excited. That was an easy process, so let's get it. Okay, guys, so I got the Oculus Quest 2, and there are like 3 other people that are waiting in their cars to pick up their items, and it looks like they all nabbed some PlayStation 5, so they're out there. I just got to get one. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this into the house, and I'm going to unbox this puppy, okay? And then we're gonna see how it is to jack into the Matrix and brain dance a little bit, okay?
All right, so we got the 64 gigabyte Oculus Quest 2. We got this from Best Buy. And it says here Facebook account required. Inside the box, VR headset, 2 touch controllers, 2 AA batteries, power adapter, glasses spacer, and a charging cable. So I'm probably gonna get the glasses adapter so I don't scratch up the lens. And then there's some instructions in the back here. Well, not really instructions, but just some, random jargon. And then you got some of the games that are popular on the Oculus. And there's a tab here. Oh, well, there went that. So you can just go ahead and rip this plastic off. I've seen a lot of people online, especially like Reddit, they actually keep the box for their carrying case. But all right, So here's some instructions on it. Tells you how to pull the tab off the controller, how to power on the headset, and how to adjust the straps. So here's the left controller. It's a nice feeling trigger. All right, so that's one. They got a nice weight to them. All right, and then oh yeah, that's definitely got a nice weight to it. That new tech smell. And then you got the glasses spacer here. And then I believe this is the charger. Yep, so there's your power bank. USB-C power cable. And they kind of got the whole Apple design thing going. Let's see, reference guide, so that's a quick reference guide. And then that's just safety and warranty guide. All right, so let's go ahead and hook this thing up and see how it performs.